Hello and welcome to this simple ITIL presentation. My name is Siota Abram Makauta and I'm an IT professional. I would like to extend a warm greeting to all the viewers who have joined us today, and I hope that this presentation will be informative and provide valuable insights into the ITIL, which is a framework designed to help organizations manage their IT services more effectively. So, what is ITIL? ITIL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library, which is a set of frameworks for IT service management that helps in aligning IT services based on the requirement of the business. ITIL helps all organizations to deliver IT services using the most efficient methods. The goal is to improve efficiency and achieve predictable service delivery. Then ITIL is owned by a company named Excelos, which is a joint venture between the UK government and Capita. ITIL Lifecycle. The 5 stages of the ITIL Lifecycle, which number 1 is service strategy, number 2 service design, number 3 service transition, number 4 service operation, and the last one, which is continual service improvement. ITIL lifecycle is a continuous process, and that all stages are independent, meaning we'll have to go through each stage to find out what is it all about. So stage 1, which is service strategy, then this is the stage where the organization or business objectives are aligned with ITSM goals. ITSM stands for Information Technology Service Management. So which means here we are strategizing, but the strategy will have to be based on the business objectives. So the business will be the one encouraging us to align ourselves with ITSM goals. And then the primary focus of service strategy is on defining services, identifying opportunities, and then developing those strategies. Stage 2, which is service design, is the stage where services are designed to meet the needs of the business and ITSM goals as well. And then the primary focus of service design is on creating and documenting service designs and service level agreements. Like each and every design, we will have to document it so that we know the steps that were taken in order to achieve a certain stage. Stage 3, which is service transition, is the stage where new or modified services are transitioned to the production environment. So the primary focus here is the service transition on managing change and release activities. So here it means we are transitioning. Then maybe if we were dealing with a certain thing, then we are now transitioning to another thing. So this is where this stage comes up. So mostly this stage, it's all about transition going from where we are at the moment and then moving forward. Then this is where this stage will have to be in play. And then stage 4, which is service operation. Service operation is the stage where services are delivered to users and monitored for performance. So meaning here we'll be working with people who will be using the services that the organization is providing. Then the primary focus here is on managing incidents, problems, and service requests. So if we have incidents, then this stage will have to come in play to manage those kind of incidents. Or if maybe we have problems or on our service, this is where this stage comes to play. And then also if we do have a request, then we will have to answer to that request. So this is where this stage applies. And then stage 5, which is the last one, it is continual service improvement. Continual service improvement is the stage where services are continuously improved to meet changing business needs. Then the focus here is improvement on monitoring and measuring service performance, identifying areas for improvement and implementing those improvements. So here we are just continuing, and then we are improving, and then we are making our services more better than currently what we are doing. Then this is the last stage of the life cycle. And then ITIL processes or practices. Some of the key ITIL processes such as incident management, problem management, change management, and service level management. So these are the key ITIL processes or practices, meaning if you are practicing ITIL, then these are the key processes that you will need to take into consideration. And then these processes are designed to support the ITIL life cycle and ensure that services are delivered effectively and efficiently. So these processes, they support the life cycle that we discussed previously. ITIL benefits. Some of the benefits of implementing ITIL, such as improved service quality, increased customer satisfaction, and reduced cost. So these are the benefits that ITIL will provide. It can also help organizations to align their information technology service management goals with business objectives. So they have to go hand in hand with the business. Doesn't matter what the business or what kind of organization we are, then if we are implementing ITIL, then it will have to be aligned with our business objectives. Then ITIL challenges. Implementing ITIL can be challenging and may require significant effort. Some of the common challenges such as resistance to change, lack of resources, and difficulty measuring the value of ITIL. So those are the challenges that you will come across when implementing ITIL in your organization. And then ITIL certification. ITIL certification is available at various levels from foundation to expert level. Then ITIL V4, which is the latest version of ITIL. Then V4, it has a certification of foundation. Then this is the most basic one that you will start with. And then after completing the foundation certificate, then you are eligible to do ITIL V4 managing professionals. So V4, which means stands for version, it is a version of the ITIL. So this one is the latest one, which is version 4. And then after completing managing professionals, then you are eligible to do strategic leader. But if you want to do a strategic leader, then you will have to have experience using ITIL in your organization. Then you will be eligible to do the third certification, which is a strategic leader. And then we have the last one, which is ITIL V4 master. Then here you are a master of ITIL. You are an expert, so you are the one that everyone will have to come to whenever we need advice or whenever we need to implement ITIL into our organization. And then ITIL certification can demonstrate an individual's knowledge and understanding of the ITIL framework. Then conclusion, ITIL is a flexible framework that can be adapted to fit any organization's needs. So it doesn't matter what kind of an organization you are, then ITIL, if you decide to implement it in your organization, then it will fit nicely, then you won't have any problems. This was just an overview of ITIL. It was not dwelling deeper onto onto the processes, and then onto those stages, as well as the management of ITIL. So it was just an overview, and then thanks for listening. I hope this was informative, and then thank you very much.